Yes. So the next topic that we are going to discuss is uh, the relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass. I think we talked about this already. We know about this already, but just a little bit also we must know according to the the actual words. Okay, that is relative atomic mass, or complete. Commonly it is also called only atomic mass, or it is also called atomic weight. Relative atomic mass or atomic weight, these are all same. Now what is the meaning of this? What is the concept of this? It means this atomic weight or atomic mass doesn't mean anything but mass of an atom. Mass of an atom. It's nothing but mass of an atom, any atom. Suppose carbon atom, what is the mass? Oxygen atom, what is the mass? Iron atom, what is the mass? That is mass of an atom, that is atomic mass or relative. Why I am saying relative, I will come to this, okay? Atomic mass or atomic weight, simply. Then why relative? From where this relative term comes? Anyway, so that also you will understand. Suppose if I talk about this pen, just suppose this pen, and if I ask you what is the mass of this pen, so you cannot just judge the mass of this pen, you have to take the weight of it, okay? And for taking the weight, you have to use the instrument, whatever instrument. You can use the balance, you can use nowadays the digital instruments are there. But whenever you are using balance, suppose you are using balance, all of you know that how the balance looks, okay? One side you will put the weights, in one side you are putting the pen, okay? Fine. So this weight is suppose 5 gram. Just suppose this weight you put over here is 5 gram. And this balance is balanced, both sides is balanced. So you can say that sir, the mass of this or the mass of this is 5 gram. Mass of this pen is 5 gram. But how did you say that? How did you judge that this is 5 gram? By considering the mass that you put over here in the other side as 5 gram. So that is the reference you have taken. So we cannot measure anything by having without having some standard thing. So this is something standard. This 5 gram you have taken is a standard one, which is not measured, which has been considered as 5 gram, and accordingly we measure the other things. Okay, just like that here also, to measure the atomic mass we have some standard atomic masses. Okay, that is why with respect to those standard masses we calculate the atomic mass of the other atoms, and that is why these atomic masses are also called the relative atomic masses. Now the question is, what is the standard? What is standard? Initially, in the beginning, when the atomic masses were tried to be calculated, the first standard that was taken was the hydrogen atom. The hydrogen atom. It was considered that the hydrogen atom has mass 1, okay, and the unit they had given is atomic mass unit, 1 atomic mass unit, AMU, or we also call it by U. The hydrogen's mass that is considered, again I am saying that's the standard that was not measured. Initially the hydrogen's mass was considered as 1 AMU or 1 U, and accordingly the masses of the other elements or other atoms were calculated. How? Suppose they wanted to calculate the mass of nitrogen. Just suppose they wanted to calculate just in a very fat manner, in a very non-scientific manner. I am saying non-engineering manner, I should say, not non-scientific, non-engineering manner. I am just telling you for your understanding. Obviously, the instrumentation is much more complicated, much more complicated. The instrumentation. Suppose again there is a balance actually called Dempster balance. So we are not going to that engineering part of it, as I told. Okay, we are not going to that engineering part certainly. Okay, but what we are going to do is we are not going to go to that engineering part certainly. But what we are going to do is that we are going to see that how by using that engineering, the atomic masses are measured. Okay, by doing the engineering, how the atomic masses are measured. It was considered that it was considered that the atomic masses of hydrogen was 1. That was just a consideration, and it has been taken as a standard one, simply as a standard one. Okay. Now, taking that as a standard one, next